Every step you take could be slowly grinding down your knee cartilage. And the worst part, you won't feel the damage until it's already done. What's actually destroying your knees has nothing to do with your age. In this video, you'll discover the 3 walking mistakes that quietly wear down your knees and how to fix them starting today. And stay till the end, because the 3rd mistake is the one almost everyone ignores but causes the most damage. Here's something most people don't realize about knee pain. Your knee joint is one of the most load-bearing joints in your entire body. Every single step you take puts pressure equal to 3 to 5 times your body weight directly onto that joint. Now, imagine doing that with the wrong foot placement, the wrong posture, or the wrong movement pattern thousands of times a day. That pressure doesn't just sit there. It grinds against your cartilage, the soft cushion inside your knee, slowly breaking it down. And once that cartilage wears thin, the inflammation sets in, the stiffness, the aching, the swelling that feels worse in the morning and after long walks. And here's the scary part. This damage doesn't happen in years. It builds up step by step, every single day. The good news? Fixing your walking mechanics is one of the most powerful things you can do for your knees, and it doesn't cost a single dollar. Let's start with mistake number 1. If you're dealing with chronic knee pain, here's the first thing to look at. How are your feet hitting the ground? Most people walk by slamming their heel down first, hard, with their legs stretched out straight in front of them. It feels natural, but here's the problem. When your heel strikes ahead of your body like that, it sends a sharp impact force shooting straight up through your ankle, your shin, and directly into your knee joint. Think of it like this. Imagine jumping off a step and landing with your legs completely stiff and straight. That jarring shock you feel, that's what's happening to your knee, just in smaller doses with every single step. The fix is simple but powerful. Try landing with your foot closer to underneath your body, not in front of it. Slightly softer, slightly more controlled. It reduces that impact force dramatically. Quick check. Next time you take a step, notice this. Are you landing in front of your body or under it? And if you walk on hard surfaces like tile or concrete every day, pay extra attention here. Hard ground makes this mistake much worse. But here's where it gets interesting, because the second mistake is actually connected to this one, and most people never connect the two. Watch yourself in a mirror the next time you walk, or better yet, have someone record you from the front. Here's what to look for. Do your knees drift slightly inward toward each other as you step? It might be subtle, but it matters a lot. This is called knee valgus, and it's one of the most common causes of knee breakdown that almost nobody talks about. Most people don't even realize they're doing this. You might be doing it right now. When your knee caves inward with every step, the pressure inside the joint becomes uneven. Instead of distributing weight across the whole knee, it concentrates on the inner edge, the medial side, grinding down the cartilage there faster than normal. Over time, this creates that familiar aching pain on the inside of your knee, and it can contribute directly to osteoarthritis progression. So why does this happen? Usually it's weakness, specifically weak hip muscles, your glutes and hip abductors. When those muscles can't hold your hip in alignment, your knee drifts in to compensate. The practical fix? 2 things. First, be conscious of keeping your knees tracking over your toes when you walk, not caving in, not bowing out, just straight and aligned. Second, strengthen your glutes. Simple exercises like clamshells, side-lying leg raises, and glute bridges can make a meaningful difference over time. Now, this next mistake might be the most surprising one yet, because it has nothing to do with your feet or your hips. This one surprises almost everyone. Here's something most people don't realize.
Your posture from the waist up directly affects the pressure inside your knees. If you walk leaning forward, chest down, head poking out, shoulders rounded, your center of gravity shifts to the front of your body. And when that happens, your knees absorb far more load than they should. Imagine carrying a heavy backpack. If you lean forward under its weight, your knees feel it almost immediately. Same principle applies to your body posture. This forward lean also shortens your stride in a compensating way that forces your quads, the muscles at the front of your thigh, to work overtime. And tight, overloaded quads pull on the kneecap, causing that deep front-of-knee pressure that so many arthritis sufferers describe. The fix here is posture awareness. Try this right now. Stand tall, pull your shoulders gently back, lift your chest, and tuck your chin slightly. Feel how that small shift already changes your balance? That's your body distributing weight properly. When you walk like that, upright and aligned, your entire lower body mechanics improve. Your knees breathe easier, your cartilage gets a break. But here's the part that ties everything together. There's one daily habit that secretly makes all of these worse. And that's sitting for long, unbroken stretches, then jumping up and walking without warming up. Here's what happens. When you sit for hours, your hip flexors tighten, your glutes switch off, your lower back rounds, and your ankles stiffen. Then you stand up cold, tight, misaligned, and you walk straight into all three of those mistakes at full force. Your heel strikes harder, your knees cave in more, your posture collapses forward. The simple fix? Before you get up after sitting for a long time, take 30 seconds. Flex your ankles, squeeze your glutes a few times, do a gentle seated knee extension, then stand and walk. That small reset primes your muscles to do their job, and your knees feel the difference immediately. So let's quickly recap. Mistake number 1, heel striking too hard and too far in front of your body. Land closer underneath you. Mistake number 2, letting your knees cave inward due to weak hips. Keep them tracking over your toes and strengthen those glutes. Mistake number 3, walking with a forward lean that overloads the kneecap. Stand tall and walk with posture. And the big one, jumping up from a long sit without resetting your muscles first. None of these are complicated, but done consistently, they add up to real relief over time. If this video made you notice something about the way you walk, hit like so more people can catch this before the damage gets worse. And if you care about keeping your joints pain-free long-term, subscribe, because small daily habits like this change everything. Drop a comment below. Which of these mistakes do you think you've been making,